Europe is finally stepping into the One UI 8 spotlight. Samsung's stable update, powered by Android 16, is now making waves across the continent. After its initial debut in South Korea and a quick expansion into India, the software has officially landed in Germany and the UK. Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra users there can now enjoy the upgrade at no cost, bundled with the September security patch for added safety. What's even more exciting is how Samsung is prioritizing beta participants worldwide. Those who tested the beta are now seamlessly moving from trial builds to the stable release through an incremental update. The new package weighs in at nearly 566 megabytes, marked with build number B3 for everyday users. That means smoother performance and enhanced stability with no extra steps required. If you didn't join the beta program, don't worry, you won't be left behind. Samsung is pushing the stable firmware quickly across India, Germany, and the UK, ensuring that even non-beta users get the update in record time. The brand is clearly moving at full throttle, making sure as many Galaxy owners as possible feel the fresh One UI 8 experience. It's worth noting that the beta program was limited to just 6 regions: Germany, India, Poland, South Korea, the UK, and the US. Now with half of those regions already transitioned to the stable version, it's pretty clear that the US is set to be the next big stop in Samsung's rollout journey. This global expansion feels faster than ever. Here's the real bombshell: Samsung has now revealed the official roadmap for the One UI 8 rollout. That's right, we finally have a timeline. The journey kicked off with the Galaxy S25 lineup on September 15th, and from here, the update will continue to spread across a wide range of phones and tablets throughout October and November 2025. September's rollout list is already stacked. Alongside the Galaxy S25 family, the Galaxy S24, S23, and even the S22 series are included. Add to that the Z Fold and Z Flip models, and September alone feels like a massive wave of updates hitting loyal Galaxy users worldwide. Samsung isn't holding back this year. October is shaping up to be just as busy. Expect to see even more devices jump onto the stable build, including flagship tablets and wearables. The Tab S10 lineup and Galaxy Watch models are all on the calendar, proving Samsung isn't only focused on phones, it's building a complete ecosystem-wide upgrade. By November, nearly every major Galaxy device will have joined the One UI 8 family. The roadmap confirms that the rollout will continue to cover all remaining models, including mid-range phones and niche devices. Samsung's goal is clear: get as many users as possible on Android 16 before the launch of the Galaxy S26 Ultra next year. But the update isn't just about stability. Samsung is enhancing Galaxy AI with brand new tools and smarter integrations. Expect improvements in real-time translations, transcription, and system-level intelligence that elevate daily tasks. For users, this means a phone that feels not just newer, but also smarter. The incremental rollout strategy might feel slow for some, but it's the reason Samsung delivers polished, reliable, stable builds. Early adopters on the Galaxy S25 are essentially live testers, giving feedback that ensures by the time the update hits older models, it's rock solid. Waiting a little longer often pays off with fewer glitches. What's interesting is how Samsung is treating regions equally. In the past, some markets waited months for updates, but now, Europe is getting the stable build right alongside Asia. This global alignment shows Samsung's determination to unify its ecosystem faster than ever before. So here's the bottom line: One UI 8 with Android 16 isn't just rolling out, it's reshaping Samsung's global software strategy. From smoother performance and tighter security to smarter AI and feature-rich enhancements, this update is the biggest leap Galaxy users have seen in years. The fact that it's already spanning continents makes the excitement even bigger. That's a wrap for today, but now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on One UI 8 finally reaching Europe? Are you already seeing the update on your Galaxy, or are you still waiting for it to hit? Drop your comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because the next wave of updates is right around the corner.